Good day, introduce yourself.
I'm Diana Rose Castillo. I'm 24 years old and I'm single. And I'm the youngest in the family. And I have 3 brothers.
What is your religion?
Aglipayan.
And do you have boyfriend?
No.
What is your educational attainment?
Senior high school.
Graduate?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, have you ever worked before as a helper?
Yes, ma'am.
Where?
Philippines, ma'am.
For how long?
2 years, ma'am.
Is this your first time going abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
How many members of the family did you serve here in the Philippines before?
1 couple and 1 children.
How old the child?
2 years old, ma'am.
A girl or a boy?
Girl, ma'am.
Okay, so what did you do as a helper in the house?
Cooking, washing, marketing, housekeeping.
Okay, you took care of the kid?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, do you need to share room with the child here?
Yes, ma'am.
So how do you take care of her, the child, before?
I care and I
Do you need to prepare his food?
yes, ma'am.
Do you need to take a bath her?
Yes, ma'am. I prepare the food. I prepare the meals.
Okay, so you cook also in your employer's house before?
Yes, ma'am.
What kind of dishes you prepare?
Philippine food.
Filipino food, okay. So why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because my family and to support my nephew.
Are you ready to go Hong Kong anytime now?
Yes, ma'am.
If you feel homesick, what will you do?
I will play the music and I concentrate my work now.
How long you want to work in Hong Kong?
As she needs my helper as employee.
So as long your employer needs you, you will work with them?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So will you promise not to go home in case of emergency here in the Philippines?
I promise I will finish my contract and I will do all my best, ma'am.
Okay, your future employer is watching you. What can you assure and promise to them?
I promise I will do all my best and my responsibilities as your helper.
Okay, thank you very much. HL 2305.